Yo, people. Ma have the statement. Ma have SOUJI statement where him go a station, go report, and ma have the Squaddy statement where him give when him go a station. You see me? So, before I read it to you, be sure to like the video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn notifications on. You don't know the things set over here, so JGTV. So, I'm going to read SOUJI statement where him give. On said day and time, I turned up at marital home at the above mentioned address. I could hear screaming sound coming from inside, and I could distinctively hear my wife say, "You gonna push all of that in on me?" I immediately became fearful that my wife was being attacked. I tactically opened the door and made my way towards the bedroom where my wife was being attacked. The sounds continues and I heard a male voice, "Me I go kill you with it."
No, kill them with it now.
I gently burst open the door to the room and saw a male shadow on the wall pushing a long object into my wife, and she moaned louder in pain. I looked towards the bed and saw a man unknown to me standing over my wife and pulling a shiny object way up inside my wife. It appears to be a brand new sword machete, cause it was shining in the dark. As the man was about to plunge the machete in my wife, I fired one shot towards the man. I did this to save my wife's life. The man jumped through the window with the sword machete and made good his escape. So basically, that a SOUJI statement. That was SOUJI statement, people. So, I'm going to read to you now Squaddy statement. Complainant had gone to visit a female colleague at her home with whom he was having a relationship. While there, her husband walked into the room and found them in a compromising position. It is alleged that he pulled his licensed firearm and used same to hit complainant on the forehead before firing one shot hitting him in the region of the left shoulder. Complainant ran from the premises in the nude and was assisted to the Spanish Town Hospital by a passing motorist where he was admitted in stable condition. The suspect was accompanied to the station by Major Gordon, and the scene was processed by Deputy Corporal Anderson and a team from St. Catherine's Scene of Crime Unit, Miss Stephanie Hutchinson, and team from Indicom, Jamaica. The suspect firearm was sealed and labeled by Indicom personnel and handed over to the corporal. The complainant's firearm was also retrieved from the scene. So people, that was basically the soldier statement, and the second one was the policeman statement. The man say him bust in and see one man with one sword a push up in him wife. Wanna think about this? Let me know down in the comments, because this are the statement I have. It's a legitimate statement. I have the data, everything. So let me know the thing down in the comments. Do you believe what Squaddy saying in him statement? Do you believe where the SOUJI saying in him statement? Let me know down in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.